guys, I'm Joanny Machine with MarineMax Miami, and it's my pleasure to show you the Aviara 32. This is a brand new boat that we just received in, and it's amazing for its kind. It offers the twin 300 Mercury Verado engines. These are V8 engines that propel you across the water and get you on planes super fast. What I like is that it's a very sleek boat with the ultimate finishes. You have a built-in swim platform here, extended transom area, and then look how cool, you have this area for your fenders, so easy storage, and everything is clean and out of the way.
An innovative highlight of the Aviara is its Lazarette seating. It has dual rows that face aft and stadium-style seating behind it when you want a higher view of the sandbar. It also converts into a sun pad.
Another amazing feature about the Aviara 32 is that here you have these areas where all your battery switches are clean and out of the way. You have freshwater wash down right here, and a 12-volt charger as well. Another cool feature I want to show you is that Aviara has built-in struts, and this makes opening and closing super easy. I love their built-in cooler as well. It makes it really easy to transport ice on and off the boat. Another nice thing is that we have this electric sunshade. It's on a cable system, so it runs super smooth, and it operates fairly quickly to keep you nice and shady and cool under the hot sun. As you see, this 10-foot beam is extremely roomy. You can have your guests hanging out here and then someone at the wet bar and still have enough room to walk right across. Speaking of the wet bar, we have this hidden sink area here, and we also have an area for your champagne bottles as well. A slide out fridge. Compartment. Now I want to point out that the features are all completely finished in teak with plumbed cup holders as well. And this is a super cool feature. Everything is hidden and recessed, so that's actually your fuel line. Now let's take a look at the helm. As you see, these have fold-down bolster seating, so it makes it really comfortable when you're driving standing up, or if you want to sit down and get more into the boat. On the displays, we have the Simrad that controls the vessel, Mercury vessel, so it's vessel view. We have the Garmin GPS system. And then we also have the vessel control for the Aviara. Here you have your cup holders, and take a look at how quick the sunshade comes out. You just push the button once, and now you get to take advantage of some shade. Auto trim on this. And we have the joystick. Now, we're using the skyhook feature, which is keeping us perfectly in place. And take a look at this skyline. Something else that is amazing is the Kilpsch audio system. Take a look at this. Now let's take a look at the bow. Here you have a super comfortable area where your guests can lounge. Plenty of grab rails for their comfort. You do have some storage as well over here. Cup holders throughout, charging stations. Everything is illuminated, which is great, and you have everything recessed and clean. Especially planes.